I want, I want to. How do I do sincere Istigfar? The Istigfar that Allah is promising so many things. How do I practice, put this Istigfar into practice? That Allah is saying He will give this thing, this thing. How do I do this Istigfar?
طيب, count with me, Muhadhib. After every prayer, we say Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah 3 times. In the morning when I pray Fajr, MashaAllah, I sit tight and I recite Astaghfirullah al-Azim wa atubu ilayh 100 times. Okay? Or you can just say Astaghfirullah al-Azim 100 times minimum. You can make them 200, 300 as you wish. In the evening, before sunset, you do the same. In your prayer, in your sujood, you say Astaghfirullah al-Azim, which is I seek refuge with Allah, or I seek Allah's forgiveness, the greatest. I ask Allah the greatest to forgive me. You can also follow the Prophet ﷺ in saying Astaghfirullah al-Azim wa atubu ilayh. Abdullah ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him and his father, said that we used to count for the Prophet ﷺ over 100 times in the same sitting, Astaghfirullah al-Azim wa atubu ilayh, which means I seek forgiveness from Allah the greatest and I repent unto Him. Then also another time which is best, especially nowadays everybody gets up for suhoor and Fajr prayer, 15-20 minutes before Fajr. This is the best time to say Astaghfirullah al-Azim as many times as possible, 100, 200, 1,000, because the Almighty Allah admire those who do the following in Surah Al-Dhariyat, وَبِالْأَسْحَارِ هُمْ يَسْتَغْفِرُونَ. Al-Ashar, plural of Sahar, which is the time before Fajr. Barakallahu feek. May Allah bless you and your family.